Okay, so I'm just going to show you something. Okay. I still haven't hit the bottom yet. Here we go. Ready? Okay, I hope I don't kill myself doing this. These are just the stairs, okay? Oh, Jesus. Sorry. It's hard to find them. Hi, Lucas. What do you think, Lucas? That's why I made those little walking areas for the dogs. Hi, boys. Come on. It's not this. The problem is that. I'm so terrified. Like, I've been trying to knock them. So what I do is take a piece of ice like this and I throw them. Oh, Jesus. To try to get them knocked over so I can, like you can see, I've been working on these and over there I'm doing pretty good. But I tried to knock them down, so I'm afraid that they're gonna kill a dog. See? That helps a lot. So I do those every so often, but I'm really bad at it. So, and I still have to work on them. So this is what it's like. So this is what it's like to drive in the winter in -18. Now this is actually a really nice day, and you can see that the snow has kind of become compacted over there because of the sun, so that's really nice, but you can still see kind of like the original amount of snow. So this is what it's like. I'm going to hit the brake so you can see that you don't die, but you have to be very careful not to go too fast. The brown is because of the sand that they put, so you can get some friction. So enjoy. Isn't this beautiful? Here we go again. Sorry guys, I deleted it. Ready? All right, another one. Okay, let's fool him into going into the snow. Ready, Lucas? Ready? So you can see that Lucas is pretty much in the snow. All right, ready, Lucas? All right, ready again? Ready, Lucas? Go! Now, my other two dogs are chickens, so they're in the car right now. And Lucas is running. Come on, Lucas! Lucas! Hey! Come on! Good boy. It was kind of a small walk because everybody's cold. What do you think, Ben? Huh? It's cold outside? Q's like, can I go out? But can you make it warm again, please? So I wanted you guys to see this. So this is, they actually run these in the street. See? So when you guys ask me how do Canadians get through the snow, well, this is one way. This nice gentleman has agreed to show us what he's wearing. So how many layers do you wear under that?
Just 3.
Okay.
Just a hoodie, sweater, t-shirt, jacket.
Okay, and you have to wear that helmet. How come you don't have any? Oh, so there
the
are
helmet's heated.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, the mask is heated.
Okay.
Yeah, the seat's heated.
Okay.
The handlebars are heated.
Okay. And of course you wear, hi, sorry.
So we're pretty spoiled.
Okay. And what are you wearing on your feet?
These are snowboarding boots.
So are they like special or something?
They're nice and warm.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And it's -18. Guys, is it cold out there? Huh? How you doing? Why are you walking funny? Oh, I know. It's so cold. Ben, come on. Isn't it beautiful though? Oh, look at that.